Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to connect ManageEngine to Migration Wizard. We hope this visual tutorial will work as a basis for you to successfully proceed to the next steps of the data transfer. Without further ado, let's start. When you choose ManageEngine as your source platform, you'll see that our migration tool will ask you to provide Authtoken. That is needed primarily to establish a connection between the ManageEngine and the Migration Wizard. Now there are two possible scenarios for you. You can either generate a new Authttoken by using the provided link or copy the existing one from your account. Let's take a closer look into both. In the first case, click on the link underneath the Authtoken field. If you're not signed in, provide the email and password like you normally would, and you'll be immediately redirected to a new landing. If you wonder why you see Zoho's logo, that's because ManageEngine is a division of Zoho Corporation. So press the Generate Authtoken button, copy the token, and paste it to the corresponding cell. After that, press Continue. In the second case, if you already have an active Authtoken and don't want to generate yet another one since there's a limit of 10 Authtokens for each scope, log into your ManageEngine account. When logged in, click on your profile name, then press the My Account button. In a new landing powered by Zoho, click on Sessions, and from the drop-down menu select Active Authtokens. If you have multiple, choose any you want, since all tokens on the list are active and can equally be used to establish a connection between ManageEngine and Migration Wizard. To view the whole Authtoken, press on Show. Because this is a sensitive operation, you will have to verify it's you. Press the Click Here button and provide the password. After the verification, click on Show again, then copy the full Authtoken and paste it to the corresponding cell. After that, press Continue. That's it. You're now ready to proceed to the next steps of the migration. If something wasn't clear enough or you'd like to get into more details, feel free to browse our Help Center or contact our support team for help. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.